Hey guys, today I'm going to show you multiple solutions if your Roblox is not launching. So guys, for the first solution is just simply go to the start menu over here at the bottom left and search for run. And after that, just simply click on it, run. And now from here, just simply search over here guys, percentage app data percentage and click on OK. Now guys, from here, just simply click on app data over here on the top. And now from here, go for the local and just simply go for the Roblox over here, which is in the letter R, and click on it. And after that, go for the versions over here. And now from here, just make sure you are on the latest version. So it is currently December. So from here, this is the latest version. Double click on it. And after that, just simply scroll down. And after that, you should be able to see here the Roblox player launcher. Right click on it and click on run as administrator, and from there you should be able to fix the issue. The next solution guys is just simply go ahead, go to the start menu over here and search for Microsoft Store. And now from here guys, just simply go to the search bar over here and search for Roblox. And now from here guys, just simply go to the Roblox over here at the first one and just simply try downloading the app over here, installing it. Now once it is installed, just simply click on play. And from here guys, just simply sign in into your account and you should be able to fix the issue. Now guys, for the next solution is just simply go search over here and search for apps and features and click on this. And now from here, just simply go search this list and search for Roblox. And after that guys, just make sure to click on the Roblox player. And now from here, just simply click on uninstall and click on uninstall. And from there, after that, just simply go to the start menu again over here and search for CMD and click on the command prompt over here. So guys, from here, we are going to delete all of the Roblox file. So just simply type in cd space app data / local and then press enter. And from here, type in rmdir. Just simply tap on space /s space Roblox and enter. And just simply tap on the Y and enter. Now after that, just simply type it in, exit and enter. And now from here, just simply go to the Roblox over here into your web browser. And after that, just simply go to an experience. I'm gonna go for this world. And from here, I'm just gonna click on this play icon. And as you can see, a pop-up window will show up and it will say that you need to install a player. Just simply click on download and install Roblox. And after that, just simply click on this folder over here and just simply double click on the Roblox player installer, and it will automatically install and it will automatically open up Roblox and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.